दोस्तों, मैंने काफ़ी टाइम पहले एक हींग एसएफओ डेटा पे एक रील या कहीं शॉर्ट पोस्ट किया था यूट्यूब पे और इंस्टाग्राम दोनों पे। तो यूट्यूब शॉर्ट पे एक कमेंट आया था, वो कमेंट अभी आया था रिसेंटली। 1 महीना हुआ होगा, 1.5 महीना हुआ होगा। तो मैंने कोई अर्ली मॉर्निंग चेक किया था, तो मैं उसका रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाई थी। उन्होंने भी ये सवाल पूछा था, मैं उनसे मुआफ़ी चाहती हूँ, मुझे उनका नाम याद नहीं है। अब थोड़ा सर्च करना मुश्किल होगा। और बाकी लोगों को भी मैं बता दूँ कि मेरी जो हींग है वो हाथरस से मैं लेती हूँ। अब क्योंकि मैं हाथरस में काफ़ी साल रही हूँ, उसके बाद मैं दिल्ली और अब कुछ 1 सालों से लखनऊ में हूँ। तो हींग वहाँ की बहुत-बहुत सबसे ज़्यादा फ़ेमस हींग वहीं की है। अगर कोई जैसे होता है ना, हर सिटी की एक चीज़ बताएँ, 2 चीज़ बताएँ, तो हाथरस बहुत फ़ेमस है हींग के लिए। पहला हींग है, दूसरा चाकू है। हींग बहुत 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 फ़ेमस है वहाँ की। हालाँकि 1-2 सिटीज़ और भी हैं इंडिया की जहाँ हींग मिलती है, लेकिन उन सिटीज़ का ये है कि उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव मिलती है। हालाँकि मैंने उन शहरों की हींग कभी यूज़ नहीं करी है, मुझे नहीं पता है। लेकिन अगर आपने पूछा है तो मेरा ये फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि मैं आपको बताऊँ कि हाथरस की हींग वे मोर चीपर है कहीं और की हींग से। हालाँकि वो भी हो सकता है क्वालिटी वाइज़ बहुत अच्छी हो। मैंने ना कभी वहाँ 1-2 जो भी सिटीज़ हैं वहाँ से ख़रीदी है, ना कभी उसको यूज़ किया है। एनी हाउ, आप कहीं से भी हींग लेते हैं, वहाँ से लेते हैं या हाथरस से, लेकिन आपको ऐसे आँख मूंद के नहीं लेनी है हींग। क्योंकि हाथरस में भी अगर वो फ़ेमस है तो हर हींग की शॉप पे हींग आपको असली नहीं मिलेगी। आपको सरल हिंदी में मैं बता रही हूँ। बिल्कुल ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपको बिल्कुल सही वाली हींग मिल जाएगी, वहाँ भी आपको ठिकाने ढूँढने पड़ेंगे। तो कहीं से भी लें, रिसर्च करके लें। इवन हम तो बहुत साल हाथरस में रहे हैं, शुरू से वहाँ रहे थे, लेकिन फिर भी हमारी हींग ऐसे ही हम नहीं लेते थे। हमारी एक ऑथेंटिक सोर्स थी, तो उसके थ्रू हमारी हींग आया करती थी। तो प्लीज़ कीप इट इन माइंड कि आप रिसर्च कर लें, ठीक से पता कर लें कहाँ से लेनी है। अभी भी मेरी हींग बाय द वे हाथरस से ही आती है, लेकिन वही है, वो वाला ऑथेंटिक सोर्स नहीं है अब, लेकिन एक दूसरा उतना ही ऑथेंटिक सोर्स अब मेरे पास है। तो अगेन, आप जब भी लें तो थोड़ा सावधान होके लें। आप इन 2-3 शहरों में से कहीं से भी हींग खरीद रहे हैं, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं चाहूँगी कि आप लुट भी जाएं और आपको चीज़ भी ठीक ना मिले, असली ना मिले। हेलो माय डियर ब्लॉगीज, हाउ आर यू? उम्मीद है आप स्वस्थ एवं सानंद होंगे। शैल आई स्पीक इंग्लिश इन दिस व्लॉग? लेट मी ट्राई। सो this is the morning time, not morning time exactly. This is afternoon time, not afternoon time exactly. It is like noon time. I am somewhat used to speaking a bit faster since I will today be speaking in English for most part of the blog. I will consciously try to be slow, audible, and everything. Let me know via your comments in comment section, obviously, how you find it. You can see it on my nose that is getting dry. So this is the sabut, proof or evidence of weather getting chillier. So weather is getting colder day by day, but still pleasant. It can be called pleasant. It's not that much cold, but yeah, it can still be called pleasant, because when there is too much cold, I at least can't call it pleasant, though we enjoy and I embrace every season. Previously, I used to fret and fume over these things. Ke winter is coming, because I don't like winter that much. But this is the awesome. This is weather, and it keeps changing, and it has been happening since years. So better I embrace it. And more you embrace the things, the more you will be feel joyful. So that's my funda over the years. I have set this funda for me, which is helping me out bloody well. So coming back to the point, it's pleasant, but my fan is on, but not on full, not at the full speed. Sometimes I need a little hawa or of pankha, of fan, ceiling fan I mean, but not always. And if I tell you, early mornings are bit colder, and then towards the midnight it starts getting colder. So just tomorrow I took out a thicker comforter or quilt, you can say, kept it in the sun. So from today on evening I will use it. This is my smoothie. By the way, I switched back to doodh wala smoothie, that is milk smoothie. which I used to have some 3-4 years back, because that dahi wala curd smoothie, even though I dilute it with some waters to make it thinner, but it's too much for me. It feels heavy and too much filling, way too much filling, I can say. I dilute this doodh smoothie when I boil it before adding things to it, but it doesn't feel heavy or that much filling, but it's filling and it's good to have that filling breakfast or brunch to start your day. Though I first take some water, 2 or 3 glasses, big glasses of water. So my water intake, all of you know, and took some वो लहसुन की तुरी, एक लहसुन clove, which I discontinued amid my medical investigation and test and lots of medicines. So now when the number of medicines has reduced, I resumed that taking that one lesson clove with lukewarm water. And as I told you before in one of my blogs, please don't take without your medical practitioner's advice. Take only after taking his advice, his opinion. If you need it, if you think you also need it for your cholesterol or heart issues, you just first check out with your physician, your doctor, then only you can start it. As for me, I have resumed it some more than 1 month ago again, and I am regularly on a daily basis without skipping even one day. I have been taking it and it's helping me out, and I am also watching my meals, my food, and everything. As for walks, I am going for them on a regular basis. These are not daily walks though, but minimum 3 days means that I won't be compromising on my walks. This is my intention, and I, as of now, intend to keep things as it is regarding walk and meals and everything. I am in fact going to add few more things in my daily routine regarding meals and workout. And in workout, I will add, as I told you before, I guess some strength training and yoga. So I will do that, and again I will keep you posted about all this. So these are two sags, leafy vegetables. This is bathua sag, bathu, and this is chana sag, which I got for the first time. It has been almost 2 days. They both are sitting in refrigerator. So I around 1 hour back I got them out, and I will साफ them. मैं इनको साफ करूँगी. चने का साग, by the way, I got for the first time. These days I find myself getting more experimental with food and trying new vegetables. Among them, sag is the topmost vegetable. And if we talk about past 2-3 months, I have tried cholai, both green and red, which is also called amaranth, and nari ka saag bhi. Nari ka saag, I don't know what they call it in English. Even cholai, I don't know in English. All through my life so far, I have eaten bathu saag, not as a saag, not as a sabzi. About bathu saag, we clean it, rinse it, wash it, and then we boil it, and thereafter consume it in raita, adding it in raita with some spices. Tastes super delish. And also we knead it in flour and make puris or parathas out of it. As far as chana saag is concerned, I will make sabzi out of it. I will update you on it since I will be preparing it for the first time. And by the way, I have some important work for which I have to leave early in the morning tomorrow. It's in Lucknow only. So let's see how things turn out. As for my health update, I am feeling much better because weather is better. So I don't have this soo, I mean cold, and that khong that is khasi. Oh, just a bit back, I was again feeling cold and I was doing soo, but it's now better. As you can also feel, there is no nasal sound in my voice. So I have grown a permanent nasal sound because of those constant colds on weather transitions and all. Just half an hour back or so, I was wondering whether this cold will again keep me glued to my bed, but it was not to be because it's now almost gone and I'm feeling better. I think this miracle has happened because I am chatting with you and talking to you. So before I leave, I will be shooting my next vlog outside, sitting in the lawn. It's beautiful, beautiful sun out there, and these are beautiful sunny mornings and afternoons. We'll see you soon, hopefully. Thanks for watching, and back to the Saag Safai.